There it is. A strike 3 called, and the New York Mets have pushed the Chicago Cubs to the brink. It's a 3-0 series. 5-2 the final.
Well, the Cubs are now 0 for 25 when leading off an inning. Cespedes with 3 hits. Wright with 3 hits. Murphy, another home run.
Yeah, the Mets 2-3-4 hitters tonight. 8 for 14 with a home run and 3 RBIs. That's getting it done. David Wright led the way with 3 hits. Some good base running, some good execution. They're playing nice and free and nice and loose.
Mets are getting better pitching, and they've been more aggressive on the base paths in this series.
You saw the scene at McFadden's in New York. The celebration continues there. High fives all around in front of that New York Mets dugout.